Meaning of hypermarket.
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 Hypermarket. A hypermarket is a large retail store that offers a wide variety of products, ranging from groceries and household items to electronics and clothing. It combines elements of both a supermarket and a department store by offering an extensive range of products in a single location at competitive prices. Typically, hypermarkets are located on the outskirts of urban areas and have a substantial floor space. The concept originated in France in the 1960s and has since spread across the world, with notable examples including Walmart, Carrefour, and Tesco. Hypermarkets provide shoppers with a convenient one-stop shopping experience.